Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get HD wallpapers for free without paying or anything like that. So of course, open your preferred web browser. In my case, like always, it's Google Chrome. And here it is. You will type in wallhaven.cc. I'll put the link in the description down below like always. Once you get in, you will find this is the home screen. So let me just type this so I can just sort of demonstrate to you how this works. So we type wallhaven.cc. This is the home screen. So obviously, on the top you got little some sort of squares that tell you each part. So for example, the part that tells you the latest will show you obviously the latest images, the top list, the random images, upload an image, and of course the forums because this yes, a wallpapers website does have its own forums. But most likely the most important part is the parts that go down. So the bottom parts are the most important parts. These parts, the forum, of course, uh, images of the day, I guess, and some other images here as well. And of course, you got some tags as well. More tags, obviously, but the most important part is this one. Let me type, for example, nature. That, and it's going to give me a set of images that are related to this word, nature, obviously. And here it is. We got many images right here, but these are just scrambled in terms of resolution. So we got 11280 by 853, and this one's 3840 by 2160. So it really depends on the monitor that you have. So in order to fix that, you can always just go here. Up here is where you can configure things. So of course we just go here to resolution, and you're gonna find it right like this. So go with exactly a lot. So your screen resolution is 1366 by 768. Yep. You guys obviously specify the resolution, so you won't download something that's too big for your screen. So I'm just gonna put custom resolution 68, and I'm just gonna place it as exactly so it can actually give me the resolution. Click enter. There we go. And here we go. So these are all of them, all the wallpapers that are related to the nature and are specifically set to the resolution of 1366 by 768. And so obviously, for example, oh, I don't know, I'm just going to grab, for example, this one. It seems like a waterfall or something. It's going to get you to a new tab, and it's going to show you this. So obviously, you could just go down here, crop and scale download, and you can always just do a copy paste for the link of this specific image, maybe give it to someone else, maybe you liked it, share it with your other people as well. Yeah, so as you can see, we got some more tags related to this as well. So these are tags related to this image. And really that's it. So you could just crop and scale download here, wait for a little bit, configure it to your specific resolution. For some reason, I don't know why, but I already did configure my own, but that's okay. And if your resolution is already shown here, so for example, because my 1366 by 768 isn't showing up here for some reason, I don't know why. But again, that's okay because who gives a crap? Just click done. Crop the image 1366 by 768 pixels. This may take a few seconds. Yes, continue. And it's gonna go on your download folder. Just double click on it. And there we go. Here is your wallpaper for free. HD, obviously. Now, obviously, who would bother to zoom in, but that's okay. From here, it looks really good. So I'm just going to delete it for now because I don't really use it. Yeah, so this is how to get any wallpaper for free in your specific resolution in HD. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.